guys, welcome to Cosplay Life. I'm Air Bear, and this is week 1 of the Road to Dragon Con vlog series. And what this is, it's going to be a series of videos where we're going to be documenting the progress that we're making toward finishing our costumes for Dragon Con. So instead of it being more of a tutorial where we're showing you how to make this crown and how to make this belt and how to make this gauntlet, it's more going to be documenting our progress toward getting those costumes completed. The reason why we're doing this is twofold. One, so that you can kind of see my thought process, why I make the decisions that I do, if I even have any reason for why I make the decisions that I do, and also so that we can get more content out to you instead of waiting until we're completely done with this project or thing. We're just gonna kind of release it as the weeks go by. So if you want to see week 1 of the Road to Dragon Con, where I'll be working on my Ariel costume, stay tuned. So now I'm gonna work on this lobster tail. And I looked up lobster tails, and they have 6 sections here and then 3 little thingies down here. So hopefully that should be easy enough to make. 6 little rounded sections and then little thingies.
You rummaging through the trash in the background? Found it, in case you're wondering.
Lobster tail is a lobster tail. Would you look at that lobster tail? It's a lobster tail. What with my lobster tail?
That's nice. Like the little lobster butt on the end.
Alright, now we've got to cut it off. something is going to attach these like this. This is going to bend like that, and then it's going to be on my shoulder. Okay. Be careful. Alright, so this is my 3mm, my precious 3mm. They don't sell this in stores anymore, so I'll have to special order it, which is okay. I can do that. Staple in the bottom of it. They don't sell this in stores anymore, so I'll have to special order it. I may still be able to use this piece, just turn it in a different direction, but every piece is precious. That part's not going to show up, so it's okay if there's going to be a staple in it. Oh my gosh, I messed this up. It's okay, because I think there's a piece going on top of it, but I'm not entirely sure. I may need to recut this. This may have been a huge mistake. I've never paid so much attention to what a lobster tail actually looks like. Yeah, it's a little fat, but it's going to be curved. So hopefully that helps. Alright, so I guess the next step is to Dremel on the inside a little bit, and then also to curve it, so to shape it. A whole bunch of shaping. Yeah, this needs to be sharper too. Okay, and then these need some work. Alright. Thankfully, I'm not trying to color it like a lobster. It's just gonna be gold. That's my lobster tail progress. Oh, lobster tail, lobster tail, lobster tail. So that about does it for week 1 of the Road to Dragon Con vlog series. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like this channel, make sure you hit subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can get a notification when we release another video. If you have any comments or questions about anything that you saw in this video, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. Other than that, I will catch you next time on the Road to Dragon Con vlog series. It's not the sound the car makes. Bye guys, deuces!